Now each state is different, but where we work out in the state of Texas, the front two windows have to be 25% or above, or 25% visibility or above on the front two. Now your back windows and your back window, they can be as dark as you want. Some people like to do limo, some people like to do 15%, some people like it to match. It's all really a preference to the customer itself. Now on your windshield for the state of Texas needs to be 70% or above. We use an 80% here just to make sure that we're within compliance. We do the same thing on our front two windows too as well. We use a 30% here. And the reason we do both of those items is because with the manufacturer, there could be a variance that comes through. So if I ordered a 25% tint from the manufacturer, it might actually be 24, 23%. It might even be 26 or 27% going the other way. There's some sort of variance there. But for us, we want to make sure that our customers are already legal, and you can't really tell the difference between a 25 and 30%. But we know for sure when the customer's leaving, if they were be able to be pulled over, by someone, and they put the machine on there to see what their window tint looks like, they would be in compliance. It's very important to know the law, and it's very important, obviously, for us to know the law too as well. Obviously, laws are changing constantly, so we want to stay as up to date as possible with different laws coming in, and usually lawmakers are really good with stuff like this to give us some time on it. They'll say, hey, at the beginning of next year, this is going to go into effect, things like that. A lot of things on our automotive side don't go into effect overnight.